Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our fifth chapter of literature book. It is a poem, My Mother, written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Before starting the poem, let us know something about the author. Late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was born in 1931 and died in 2015. He was the President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was also known as the Missile Man of India. He was known for his dedication to science and commitment to professional excellence. Dr. Kalam had a multifaceted personality. That means he was a multi-talented person. Besides being a scientist and humanist, he was also an excellent writer. So that's why he is multi-talented person. Wings of Fire and Ignited Minds are two of his very popular books. The poem My Mother has been taken from Wings of Fire. This poem, My Mother, is a tribute to his mother by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. Kalam, he was very closely bonded with his mother. He was born in a very poor family. His mother made many sacrifices to raise the children. Hence, Kalam, he wrote many poems depicting his pain at many times. Before moving on to the poem, let us discuss the pre-reading task first. God could not be everywhere, so he made mother. What does this statement mean? Is the comparison between God and mother justified? Share your views. In this, God has been compared with the mother. Do you think this comparison is justified? Yes, it is justified because mothers play very important role in our lives. Like God protect us from all the difficulties, God love us. In the same way, the mothers also they protect us from all the difficulties in our lives, and they also love us too much. That's why this comparison is justified. Next is the word mother brings up certain emotions in everyone. Think of some words that you would like to associate with this most wonderful creation of God and write them in the web chat below. Now you have to just collect your emotions and think of some words that you would like to associate with your mother. Like when we think of our mothers, the words that come in our minds like love, kindness, compassion, honesty. So many words are there. So you can find out the words yourself and write down in the web chart. Now let us discuss the poem. Sea waves, golden sand, pilgrim's faith, Rameshwaram Mosque Street, all merge into one, my mother. Here the poet is saying that the sea waves, golden sand, and pilgrim's faith. Pilgrim is a person who sets out for a holy journey. Rameshwaram Mosque Street. The poet, he lived in a house on the Mosque Street in Rameshwaram. Mosque is a place where Muslims they worship. So they all combine, they merge into one, that is my mother. The poet wanted to say that his mother was a very religious lady. You come to me like heaven's caring arms. I remember the war days when life was challenge and toil. Now he's saying that you come to me like heaven's caring arms. Like word is used here, so the figure of speech used in this line is simile. In simile, there is a direct comparison and we are using word like or as. So there is simile figure of speech in this line. Here the poet is comparing the arms of mother with God. Like God protects us, in the same way mothers they also protect us. I remember the war days when life was challenge and toil. Now the poet is remembering the war days. Here war days means Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on October 15, 1931. So here the reference is to World War II that broke out in 1939 when he was a small kid. So he remembered those days when the life was challenge and toil. Toil means hard work, full of struggle. Miles to walk hours before sunrise. Hours before sunrise, he had to walk miles. Walking to take lessons from saintly teacher. He walked too much to take lessons from the saintly teacher. That means he took spiritual lessons near the temple. Again miles to the Arab teaching school. Then he went to the Arab teaching school. Again he walked miles to go there. Climbed sandy hills to railway station road. He climbed sandy hills and went to railway station road. Collect, distribute newspaper to Temple City citizens. There he collected and distribute newspaper. The poet, he used to help his cousin to distribute newspaper and earned his first wages. So he collected and distributed newspaper to the Temple City citizens. Few hours after sunrise, going to school, and after sunrise he went to his school, normal school. Evening business times before study at night, and in the evening again it was business time. He does small works to earn money. Before study at night, and at night he studied. All this pain of a young boy, my mother, you transformed into pious strength. All this pain, here the pain means the struggle of a young boy. My mother, you transformed this struggle, this pain into pious strength. Pious means holy. With kneeling and bowing 5 times. By kneeling and bowing 5 times, the mother transformed this pain into pious, holy strength. Kneeling and bowing 5 times means the Muslim, they used to offer prayers to God by doing namaz. So they do it 5 times a day. So by doing this, she transformed the pain of the young boy into pious strength. For the grace of the Almighty, only my mother. Here for the grace of the Almighty, grace means the blessings. For the blessings of the Almighty means God, only my mother. Your strong piety is your children's strength. Your strong piety. Piety means the faith that you have in God. That faith is your children's strength. You always shared your best with whoever needed the most. Now the poet is saying that the mother, she always shared. She always shared whoever needed the most. You always gave and gave with faith in him. You always gave and only gave with faith in him. Here him is used for God. That's why H is capital in him. So the poet said that you always gave and gave with faith in God. I still remember the day when I was 10. Now the poet is remembering one day when he was 10 years old, sleeping on your lap to the envy of my elder brothers and sisters. The poet was sleeping in the lap of the mother to the envy. Envy means jealous. The elder brothers and sisters, they were getting jealous. Why? Because the poet, he was in the lap of the mother. So elder brothers and sisters, what they were thinking, that mother loved him the most. It was full moon night, my word only you knew. And that night was full moon night. And my word, here my word means the feeling of a young boy. The word of a young boy who is struggling too much in the life. So my word only you knew, my mother. When at midnight I woke with tears falling on my knee. As the poet was in the lap of the mother, he woke up. Why he woke up? Because the tears were falling on his knee. You knew the pain of your child. The mother was crying. Why? Because she knew the pain of the young child. A very young child was doing too much hard work. Your caring hands tenderly removing the pain. Your caring hand tenderly, very softly, they are removing the pain. Your love, your care, your faith gave me strength. Now the poet is saying that your love, your care, and your faith in God, that gave me strength to face the world without fear and with His strength. Due to your strength that you gave me, I could face the world without fear with His strength. Again, His is used for God. We will meet again on the great judgment day, my mother. The poet is saying that, my mother, we will meet again on the great judgment day. Judgment day. What is judgment day? According to Quran, on judgment day all the holy spirits, they will come out of the grave. So that's why the poet is saying that we will meet again on the judgment day, as the mother of the poet was dead. That's why he is saying we will meet again on the judgment day. My mother. So this poem is a tribute to the poet's mother. How much pain he suffered in life and how much pain the mother suffered, that is mentioned in the poem. I hope you understood the poem. Thank you.